everybody, thanks for watching. So yeah, real quick for my Shopify people. So if you guys bought the Shopify course, go ahead back to where you downloaded from Podia. You'll see a new video there to download for free as well. It's going to be just some updates for your Shopify store for new importers where you guys can get new products, more up-to-date products, and also a lot of different offers. So now there's more market research on a lot of these products. So I want you guys to be able to have the data and know exactly what products that you should be selling that's selling right now, that's really hot, that's popular. And I included this information on it for you guys, the 2 videos you guys can watch. And it'll give you some updates on how to import these from these 2 new platforms onto your Shopify store and bring these new products into your store. A lot of cool stuff, a lot of new stuff to bring to your Shopify store that people are going to want, and that's selling. I'm talking about new hot shit. So you guys definitely want to jump on this quick. Check out the video and see what's on there, what's selling fast, because people are already making a lot of money on these things. And yeah, want to make sure you guys benefit from it. So yeah, go back to the site on Podia. You guys will see that video added there to just download as well. For my Merkabah Scholar Society members, the link is already on the app. Just go to the app. You'll see the link where to download it and where to watch the video. And you can just watch it on the app. Click the link and watch the video there. And it's going to just, bring new stuff to your Shopify store. So yeah, I wanted to get in this real quick. As I said, if you buy the Shopify course, you guys will be able to keep getting these videos on updates to keep your store growing. There's already a bunch of people who have sent me their stores that's making money off their stores already. It's all about promotion. I break this whole thing down. I've been doing this for years, and it's one of the ways I generate money. And there's no way at this point, if you're just working a 9 to 5, you're not using social media or using the internet to make money, it's just crazy. You got to get with the times. So I've already dropped the price. I know you guys have been asking, can I drop the price on the Shopify course? I already dropped the price on the Shopify course. Link is in the description. So it will come with this video I'm talking about if you do buy it. And I try to do this and I try to make stuff affordable for people. It's up to you guys to take advantage when the time comes. If you don't, that's on you. So yeah, let me get into this video. So yeah, I know a lot of you guys have been asking about the Shopify course and different ways of generating money. And as I said, if you guys are not using social media by now to make money this day and age, you are missing out on so much. If you're not investing, if you're not in crypto and in stocks, I don't know what to tell you. It is the mistake that our parents made, or a lot of our parents made before us, to not get into these things and understand how this stuff works to generate money. It is the difference between being rich and wealthy. It's that thing that's keeping you from having what these people who you watch on social media have. Plain and simple. I've shown you guys everything. You've seen what I've done and the money I've made, millions of dollars. And this is how I've done it. You have to be up to date on a lot of this stuff and know what you're doing and get into this stuff. It's just so easy, but you have to be willing to invest in your education and spend time in, watching stuff and reading stuff. And that's the problem with you guys. A lot of you guys are chronic procrastinators. And I talked about this in the last video, understanding that procrastination is a demon and that you have to rid yourself of that or you're not going to be anywhere. Plain and simple. You're going to be stuck where you are. And it's a thing. It's a big deal that a lot of people are suffering from. And it's tough because it's you. It's your own feelings. It's the way you feel. And at the end of the day, you don't go against you, and you need to learn how to tell yourself to shut the fuck up and get to work. How to tell yourself to stop bitching and complaining and do what I got to do. And a lot of people can't do that. They can't look in the mirror and be real with themselves. And that's why where you are and why you'll be where you'll end up. Plain and simple. It's up to you. Stop making excuses for everything. Everybody has an excuse about something that leads either back to Satan or to somebody else. Look in the fucking mirror. It is you. You have to take advantage and stop being so scared of every little thing and do what you need to do to invest in yourself and put yourself in a better position. So now with Shopify, I broke the whole thing down in the video series. It's not hard at all. The hard part is just setting up the store, if that's hard at all. It's broken down. It's easy to do. It's actually fun to do because you get to go through every single product and know what you're selling. And me adding these 2 new things, these 2 new platforms on where to get products from, I put you right up there with the top dog selling the same shit. You can sell PlayStations, you can sell Xbox, you can sell good products. It's all about your marketing after that in competition. You can go ahead and run with it. Well, can't nobody beat Amazon. Amazon does not sell everything. And then you have to understand what advertising means when the product is right there and it's a good price for a person that's looking to buy. And it's not tough. But if you don't want to compete with Amazon, I showed you guys the Amazon course. It comes with the Shopify course, Amazon, on how you can basically do the same thing doing Amazon Associate or Amazon Affiliate, or have your own Amazon store to where you're selling products you don't own, you don't have to ship, and you're getting a percentage when you sell them. Plain and simple. Some of you have already figured out, if you share Amazon links, right? When you go ahead and share a link and you're logged into Amazon, Amazon automatically credits that. And it looks at that and says, you sent the link to somebody when you was logged into Amazon and that person bought something or bought from that link. And they will let you know. When you continue to do this, Amazon will automatically take note of this and send you an email and say, hey, you need to sign up with us because we owe you money, because you have gotten multiple people to buy stuff by sending them links, become an affiliate, or sign up so we can pay you. There's so many fucking ways out here to make money. People are just lazy as hell. Everything's a scam. Everybody's a scammer. Everybody thinks everything is so fucking crazy and not looking at the proof. And the proof is right here, man. The proof is right here. I've been doing this for a long time. Again, you guys see where I'm at. You see what level I'm on as far as success and everything I've been through. I've done consultations with people from all over the world, Africa, England, everywhere. Information on business, information on all kinds of stuff, spirituality or what have you. Again, you have a unique opportunity to talk to somebody who has made millions of dollars. Good luck finding that with somebody else. I've made millions of dollars. I've been through the ringer with the IRS. I've been through every single thing you're going to possibly run into in this business world. And my information has helped so many people. And it's the only reason why I kept consultations going since I'm not overseas right now, right? So you have an opportunity to go ahead, book a consultation. If you run into any issues, we can talk about it one-on-one after the consult. And you can ask anybody. You can put it in the comment section and ask anybody, hey, how does this thing work? Because a lot of people will tell you, it's an hour, it's for an hour, but we go over an hour. I've been in consultations with people who pay for 1 hour and we've been talking for 3 hours, 4 hours, and I did not charge them for it. And I'll tell you again, after the consultation is over, you get a follow-up email. If we need to discuss anything in a follow-up email, if you have a question you forgot, whatever it is, I will book you another consultation, which you don't have to pay for. You have to still invest money in you and yourself on what you're trying to do. There's no way I'm going to waste time talking to a lazy motherfucker that don't want to invest in themselves and what they're trying to do. Then you're not serious about it. So why should I waste my time and take it away from somebody who is, right? So you guys got to understand, I get so many emails from people looking to get into things, looking to invest in things, right? I got so many, not just compliments, but a lot of people just, why did you buy designer? Oh, it was upset at these photos you're seeing right now. Me buying all the designer brands and everything that I bought. A lot of this stuff is resale stuff. I showed you guys my closet here, as you can see. Those first 2 racks is about $100,000 worth of shoes, right? And I probably resold almost all that stuff and made double the money. It's what I did. I was in a whole little craze of buying designer, flipping designer, buying shoes, flipping shoes, and keeping some for myself. But it was a business more so than me just buying designer. It was me understanding how it works because I wasn't into that world because I think it's stupid. And I'll tell you today, if you're not buying Louis Vuitton, because Louis Vuitton will hold its value later on, people will pay double for something that drops because Louis never re-releases. If you get it, that's it. It's gone. And you have to search all over the world to find it once it sells out, right? So a lot of people are willing to pay the extra money for Louis Vuitton. You have to pay attention to other designers and make sure that it's so that they're not re-releasing like Jordan, right? And people are willing to pay top dollar for a lot of those products if they really want it, if you're selling, right? So that's why you see the photos with the designer and everything like that. Yeah, I kept some of the stuff. I wear some of the stuff because I liked it. But it wasn't like me just being stupidly spending money or what have you. It's me understanding the market and knowing how to, benefit from that market. And it's what I've been trying to explain to you guys how to do. And that there's many ways of doing this day and age. Understanding the algorithm, understanding what Shopify, what Amazon, and what Facebook has done to put money in your pocket. And people they're not benefiting from it. They're not taking advantage of it. People would rather work a 9 to 5 until they fucking die. And I don't understand. If you don't have any education, if you're not trying to educate yourself past high school, then, you have to figure something else out. Now, you can keep on believing that college is a scam, right? Keep on thinking that shit is a scam or a waste of time. And watch when you graduate high school. How many years past you? Some of y'all decades. Some of y'all 4 years, 3 years have already passed. What do you have? A fucking job, right? Versus if you would have took the time and went to school, so what if you put yourself in debt? So what? You're now able to take a job to where you can pay off that debt quickly. And if you're smart and if you understand how to work the system, go be a teacher so you can get student loan forgiveness and not have to pay back shit. But yeah, I get so many questions and I'm sick of people just complaining, man. Complaints is out the door. Stop being a victim. Stop being a victim. Stop playing the victim role. We understand the white man is here, the white man oppression. So, you are oppressing yourself. And you're allowing social media and these people around you, your circle, to keep you oppressed because you're listening to people who have not done shit with their life. You're listening to people who don't even know you exist. Like people really following what social media is telling them to follow. And who are these people? These people are on it to get likes and clicks and to get you to basically fund their lifestyle. Plain and simple. That's what's going on. I'm proven, man. You can call me a scammer or whatever you want. There's more people on here that's going to tell you I'm proven and I have helped them in many ways than the haters who don't, right? Because they're Christian or Muslim or what have you. So everything has been explained. All of my situations, all my shortcomings that you guys have seen that I've made public. You guys understand everything. I put everything on the table. I showed you guys me in court. I showed you guys everything. So there's people who are missing out on a wealth of information and a beautiful opportunity because of what happened with some fucking books that's already been explained and books will be re-released. There's people who use the money for their books to pay for Merkabah Scholar Society. It's just smart. So it's people who's like, you know what I pay for the books, can I just parlay that over to Merkabah Scholar Society? That way I can get the membership and be a part of it. And guess what? We did that and they're still going to get their books. Plain and simple. This isn't no scam, nobody. I would have been selling books and kept selling books if that was the case. I have not sold books since because it's a part of a court thing, right? You see me advertising any books since then? No. So you guys understand what happened. So understand, again, it's never been a scam. I make thousands of dollars a fucking day. There's no reason for me to scam. Plain and simple. I've shown you guys. If you're in the society, you've seen my accounts. I've shown you guys in the society the money and what's going on, right? You guys understand, So there's no reason to scam nobody out of a fucking book or a dollar for nothing, right? For what? Like, I have too much knowledge out here. The one thing, if I don't know how to do nothing, I know how to make fucking money. Plain and simple. That's one thing I really know how to do, right? I know so many ways of doing it. And I've been sharing that for years and been showing you guys how to set up and leverage your accounts to where you're going to benefit from it. There's no way in the world. 2025, almost 2026. That motherfucker's still working a job. And there's no knock on you guys. You got to do what you got to do to get to where you need to be. But this is the future. We are here. We are in a time that's going to allow you guys to really grow and change. And watch how many people miss it. And I'm going to rub it in your faces. Trust me. You're going to see in the next few years as this goes, me rubbing it in your fucking face. Because there's people who get it and it's people who have woken up and they're jumping on board and understand that this is the way forward. They're poised to leave you guys in the dust, right? And this wealth jump is going to be massive. And the I Told You show is not going to do it justice. Plain and simple. You have a unique opportunity to invest in crypto, to understand what these companies are getting ready to do and to benefit from it. It has happened multiple times. This is going to be the last time it happens in our lifetime. We'll never see nothing like this again in our lifetime when this jumps off. Plain and simple. You can't see the writing on the wall because you're not paying attention. You can clearly see, if you're a forecaster like myself, this is what I do. I've dedicated my life to it. I know how these people work. You can clearly see it from my point of view, what they're getting ready to do. Now, for the people who challenged me on Mexico, look at what's going on in Mexico. What I tell you guys, I told you they're coming for Mexico. I have people down there. I got people in the military. I'm ex-military. I know people. I know what they're talking about. I know what's getting ready to happen. It's getting ready to change the world. And pretty soon, the news is going to be flooded with information about America and Mexico war. The cartels are set. That's going to fuck up trade. Listen, man, y'all got me hyped. My bad. But listen, they know what they're doing. It's not just that China going through Mexico and then, the U.S. having this border issue to kind of, put a chess piece in front of China. This is about the cartels, man. Y'all don't think the cartels is moving through Mexico and Texas and getting stuff in America? They're not just on the drug side. They're on the trade side as well. And as soon as you understand that, you benefit from it. This is going to be a big deal that's going to affect them, which is why they're down there fighting. You have armies. They're putting together armies, right? They're already harassing black people. There's already a black dude that was killed down there. And they're showing you this stuff on social media So you can understand one of the reasons why a war is coming, so you don't feel sorry for these people when shit kick off, right? We got cruisers down there. We got destroyers down there, missile launchers, big boys, right? They're not playing. You don't send that stuff unless you're getting ready to go to war.